red. Apple is red. Ladybug is red. Strawberry is red. Green. Tree is green. Avocado is green. Grasshopper is green. Yellow. Lemon is yellow. Corn is yellow. Banana is yellow. Brown. Monkey is brown. Bear is brown. Chocolate is brown. Teal. Flower is teal. Pencil is teal. Bag is teal. Black. Shoes is black. Bag is black. Pencil is black. Blue. Cap is blue. Ink is blue. Umbrella is blue. Purple. Purple eggplant. Butterfly is purple. Turnip is purple. Grey. Owl is grey. Parrot is grey. Rock is grey. Olive. Olive is olive. Shirt is olive. Olive oil is olive.